Questions as he and First Lady Melania Trump left church services at St. John's Episcopal Church in Washington. Tara Palmieri, ABC News, Washington.
And take a look at we're going to have some video of Columbus where that weather system is kind of moving in, right?
Yeah,
and
exactly.
Same thing that's going to hit us. Not going to be quite this bad, though, right?
Yes, so it looks a lot snowier here, but
yeah,
I do want to point out we've been tracking that for you on radar, and that is the same storm system heading here. It is weak. There's not a lot of snow to go around, and temperatures won't be quite this cold when it shows up here. But you can see the roads are wet, roads are fine, but the grass is covered, and I do think that's the sort of thing that we could be looking at. So here you go. There's the snow moving through Columbus right now. Has some rain on the south side, and that's exactly how I think it'll show up for us. A lot of snow, a lot of rain mixed in. We'll see a little bit of everything. For now, though, clear skies, lots of sunshine, and that is about it as we work our way throughout the rest of the evening. Temperature-wise, we're hanging at 53 degrees from Reagan National. We've got very dry air in place, so not only does that moisture have to move in, it's then going to have to overcome all the dry air that we have here, so there's just not going to be much to actually show up and hit the ground. So here we are, 4 a.m. Again, we'll fast forward through this. 7:30, some snow for you in the northern Shenandoah Valley, right around Hagerstown. We work our way to about 10. That's when we finally see a little bit near D.C. Then as we go later into the afternoon, when more moisture does show up, temperatures just start warming. So most of this up and down 95, most of 66. This shows up for us as rain. That'll be the story heading into the afternoon. So it's probably more likely you're going to need the umbrella than anything else. Roads, again, expected to just stay wet. Could see some accumulation on the grass farther to the west and to the north. So that wintry mix, here are some headlines for you. It's going to begin for us after 2 o'clock in the morning, so really overnight and heading throughout the day tomorrow, all the way until about 8 o'clock in the evening, could be looking at some of that light rain. Metro roads mainly just wet, no problems there. Snow most likely is going to fall north, closer to even Pennsylvania, and then farther west in the mountains, and then it's just a spotty mix. Some of us will stay completely dry as this moves through. So what we're looking at, mainly rain as you get around D.C., a few flakes mixing in farther north and west again. That's where you could see some of this stick to the grass, maybe in the garden, but that's going to be about it, and less than an inch is all we're going to see. So hour by hour tomorrow, rain and snow, that mix possible for us. Check out those temperatures, 40 degrees in D.C. Really tough for any of this to stick. We work our way throughout the day. We change over, just some spotty rain showers, a little bit of sunshine starts to fight through as well. Here's the good news. When does it feel like spring? As we head later into the week, but especially by the second half of the weekend, we are going to be chilly from Monday and Tuesday. Spring begins for you on Wednesday, and we'll continue to warm up as we fast forward into the weekend. Here's that ABC 7-day for you. 48 tomorrow with that mix changing over to rain. 50 on Tuesday, 56 on Wednesday, and then a few more clouds Thursday, but all in all, nice end of the week, and then 65 degrees by Sunday. Carl, over to you.
All right, Josh, thank you. We want to take you to breaking news right now. The hometown of the man accused of killing 50 people at mosques in New Zealand is now under the microscope. A counter-terrorism team in Australia is searching for clues in at least 2 homes. One of those homes reportedly of the sister of the shooting suspect, Brenton Tarrant. Officials say his family is being cooperative in answering officers' questions. Australian police say they're searching for evidence to help police in New Zealand. We'll continue to monitor this. We'll be right back.
Are you looking for a hassle-free, simple way to sell your home as is? We buy houses directly. There's no middlemen, no commissions. Give us a call today. House Buyers of America. Real estate made real easy.
Why Window Nation? Because we know that it's how you finish that matters.
First, we measure each window 3 times to ensure a proper fit.
At the factory, each window goes through a 50-point quality inspection.
Only then can it be installed in your home by our factory-trained installers.
During installation, we give each window a 20-point quality inspection.
At Window Nation, every step matters, from start to finish.
Buy 2, get 2 free with no limit. Get a house of windows for only $69 a month, $2 a day. Visit windownation.com.
With Cox, you get everything you want to watch in one place using the voice remote.
Show me action.
Even a ninny like me can figure it out. With streaming apps, you miss live events and waste time searching for shows.
Not this one, that one?
It's clear that Cox is the better choice, just like it's clear that the teleprompter guy thinks I'm a boo-boo head who steals parking spots.
Get live TV, great apps, and on demand from Cox, starting at $79.99 a month.
Are you looking for a hassle-free, simple way to sell your home as is? We buy houses directly. There's no middlemen, no commissions. Give us a call today. House Buyers of America. Real estate made real easy.
Cycling.
Practice French.
Cooking class?
Art festival.
Climbing.
Getting a new Volkswagen can be easier than you think.
Matinee.
What will you do with the extra time?
Hot yoga.
Yeah. No, like yoga, but hotter. Love it.
With practically just your signature, you can get a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan for 0 down, 0 deposit, 0 first month's payment, and 0 due at signing.
Don't miss Cirque du Soleil, Volta, in Tyson's, on sale now.
And now, the Toyota Sports Desk, brought to you by your local Toyota dealers.
Yes, it's Election Sunday. Today, those 68 teams now know their fate as they prepare for the biggest dance of their lives, the NCAA tournament. We also know where the Terps will be placed, and that is in Jacksonville as a 6th seed. They'll take on the winner of Belmont and Temple, and that's